Hello and welcome to the pet room. David Bradley here. So I am going to give things a try here with this upgraded basic 4 pet. 16K only, but it will be fine. I'm going to turn on the drive and we hear exactly what we should hear. So I'm going to let it whir down, and then I'm going to turn off, at least I think I am, turn off the pet. Oh, I got to get at the switch. Where's the switch? Okay. And we hear the disk drive do its same sort of reset thing. And then it will stop. And I will turn the pet back on. And up will come the message, Commodore Basic. Now, the command that should have the disk drive, oops, oh, that's right, now I remember, this pet, that's why I didn't want to use this one, okay. This pet has keyboard errors. I'm going to do the short form. Oh, no I'm not. Yes I am. Come on, shift key. Catalog. Well, that did not produce any positive results. So, do I have a pet problem, or do I have a failure to communicate? Let's try that again. See. Oh, dear. So, pet, disk drive, or cable. That should have made the drive, like it should have sent that command to the drive, and it should have done something. As in Word, even though there's no disk in it, it should have done something. And right now, sir, it's hard to see here because I'm in the dark. I'll turn a light on that's away from things, but that will help me see just a little better. What I'd really like to try and do is do a question mark, which is not happening. So I'm trying to do a P, which is not happening. R works, but that does me no good. The delete key won't work. Oh, this is just going dandy. So, is it the pet? Is it the disk drive? Is it the cable? Good question. I have not had this pet or the other pet hooked up and connected to any computers. So, do I know that these computers work? No, I don't. Well, I suppose I do know that I have handy, but not right handy, but somewhat handy, a 4032 with a universal board. It's a 40 column machine. Could be converted to an 80 column machine. I've not had that hooked up to a disk drive either. But I think the keyboard on it actually functions well. So, I guess there's not much more to be done here. I'm just checking the cable. I mean, it did respond when the machine was turned off. And it should, like if nothing is there, it should say device not present. But it's not saying that. I suppose I could try, if the keys work. And they don't. Oh, there's the O. On units 9. No. And I don't think I'm going to get enough. Oh, that's the K. That does me no good. And now I can't back up. And the L is doing nothing. Okay. Let me just one more time get up and have a look behind to make sure that when I was pushing the machine around, the cable is not on squirrely. The cable looks okay. I'm gonna reach behind and just like feel it and make sure that it feels like it's on. And it does. Oh dear. All right. Back to the drawing board. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.